Hello and welcome back to my channel. Gigi here. Today I have a summer glitter collaboration hosted by Pumpkin's Nail Station. I'm starting off with Clean Color Nail Lacquer 134 Pink Hollow. Look how pretty that is. Oh, just love it. Okay, so most of the ladies use gels and acrylics, and I don't use any of that, so I just use regular nail polish. So what I have here, I don't have a lot of glitter, but what I have here is this Martha Stewart, I don't know, was it 12 pack? 1, 2, 3 times, yeah, 12 pack right here that I got from Michael's a long time ago. So I will be using the cotton candy, and I'm going to just show you how I apply this. And I'm only going to put that on this finger right here. So what I do is I use a thick base coat, quick dry base coat. So I have to work pretty quickly. And right now I'm using the Seche Vite because I have an older bottle that's a little on the thick side. So I'm going to just throw this on here. Thick, 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 thick. Doesn't matter if it's a little sloppy, it's okay. And then I'm going to take this and put this right here and get myself in frame. And then I'm going to just sprinkle this glitter over the top. Just anywhere, everywhere. And once I get that done, I have a brush that I use for glitter. It's just a makeup brush, I think. And then I'm just going to pat that down. And most of it should stick. Well, not all of it is going to stick. Of course, the stuff that's on top won't stick, but everything that's underneath will stick. And then I'll just wipe the excess away. Okay? And then I'm going to give that a little bit of time to dry. I'll just go back in. And I probably will do 2 coats of the top coat on this because they're lifted a little bit and I want it to stay down. So I have 1 coat of the Seche Vite on top of this already. So I'm going to let that dry, and in the meantime we're going to do a little bit of stamping. I'm going to be using my Lena Twirls and Swirls Plate 01 today. I'm going to put some rhinestones over it, so I'll just pick a few little designs and then we'll go from there. I think I'm going to start with this one down here first. What I did was I placed, I have some of these little rhinestones. You know, they're just cheapy. I think I got them from Sally's, or, you know, who knows where I got them from. And what I do a lot of times, if I'm going to use a kind, you know, rhinestones or whatever, something like this, I will place a large one and smaller and smaller and smaller, and actually just put it around or on the image that I'm going to use to see if I like it. You know, maybe the large that I'm using is too large, or, you know, not big enough. So that's normally what I would do. Go ahead and stamp this. Don't want to get it all over everything because I don't want to have to clean up too much. A light scrape, and that turned out pretty nice. I'm going to put that on my center nail. Trying to line it up as best I can. Okay, so that's right there. I'm going to give that a moment to dry. So I'm going to take the heart right here and put that on my pinky. It's hard to see with that in the way, huh? There we go. Okay, looks pretty good. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this one right here. turned out nice. And I'm going to put that one on this finger. Let me flip it this way. There we go. So this is what I have so far. And again, I'm just putting a generous coat of Seche Vite. That'll do two things. It'll help my my embellishment to adhere, and also it will help these glitters to lay down better. We're going to put this one on, if I can get it. There we go. I have it. And I'm going to put that one right up here. And then just push down on it so it sits into the sash. Here we go. So after I did the black, I decided I needed gold on top of it. So let's see how this works out for me. It's too stark, I believe. So we're going to go ahead and try this. And there it is. I hope I didn't wait too long. There we go. There's my gold. There we go. And that's what I have so far. Let me clean these up a little bit and I will be back. This is where I've gotten so far. I went ahead and, put this one on. And that's why I added the gold, because this actually has gold in it. It's not a silver. The metal in it is not silver. So I thought it would look better instead of just black, to go ahead and double stamp and put the gold on top. So we'll see how that goes. Instead of using glue, I think I may have already said this to you, but instead of using glue, I'm going to go ahead and use the Seche Vite to keep mine down. If you want your rhinestones and such to last longer, then you should probably use nail glue. But I can't find my nail glue right now. So we're going to go ahead with this. So I'm putting a generous coat of this on here. And I'm doing that for several reasons. First of all, I'm not going to be coating this after I'm done. Sometimes it will dull the design, and we don't want that. So I'm going to just, in the corner, well, let's just put it right here. There's one. Here's another one, just a slightly smaller one. And I'll put that one right there. Looks cute, huh? And we're going to go on to the middle one here. This is a huge, huge wax pen. I think I got it off of AliExpress or Amazon, or I don't know, but one of those, one of those places. All right, I want to make sure I have my little tiny, yep, so 1, 2, 3. All right, I think I got them. So again, I'm going to float a generous amount of my quick dry top coat on here. A little bit more over here. All right, time to pick these babies up. And I'm putting them up a little bit closer to the top. I probably should have stamped that closer, but I didn't. So we're going to try to make up for it. And then the teeny tiny one. on the end. Are those straight? Not quite. Okay. I don't know if you can see it, but using that sash has kind of dulled those. So I suggest using the glue. Like I said, I can find mine, so we're going to just go with what we've got here. All right, last one. Generous amount of top coat here. And we're going to just put one right in the center of that heart. Okay. There we go. And if, like I said, if you use glue or, you know, you adhere it with gel, it'll last a lot longer. But that is my mani. Let's take a look at it. I really like the way these turned out. I don't use, like I said, a lot of glitter, but these were pretty cute, pretty summery, don't you think? I'm going to have the links to everybody's channels down below. And it would be awfully nice if you would hop over there and take a look at what they've created. They have some awesome, awesome designs. I thank you so very much for watching. And as always, be kind, be creative, and don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's free. Thanks again.